Hello students, in this video I am going to show you how to highlight the minimum value of any particular range. You can see I have taken some values starting from the cell A1 to cell E10, and in this range I have filled with some values, and I want to highlight the minimum value of this particular range. Okay, so how can I do that? To do that I have to go to developer tab and insert, and from insert I have to go to ActiveX control. From here I have to draw a command button. Okay, I have to draw it over here. Now I have to double click on it, and now at first of all I have to give some variable, that is dim cell as range, dim RNG as range, and I have to set the range. Set RNG is equal to worksheets sheet 1 dot range A1 to E10. Okay, you can see it from A1 to E10. Okay, now I have to give lowest number is equal to application dot worksheet function dot main, and in bracket I will have to give RNG. Okay, that is the range. Now cells dot interior dot color index is equal to 0. Now I have to give the for loop, that is for each cell in RNG. When you are starting for loop, then you have to end for loop, that is next cell. Inside the for loop I have to give the if statement, that is if cell dot value is equal to lowest number, then what happens? Cell dot interior dot color index is equal to 4. 4 is for green color, and when I started if, I have to end if. This is the code. Okay, I am sorry I have given here 12. I have to give here 1. Okay, and if I close the window, and at first of all I have to come out from the design mode. To come out from the design mode I have to click here, and if I click on this button, then you can see the minimum value of this particular range. Okay, and if I change the value of this particular range, and if I again click on this button, then you can see this is the minimum value of this particular range. You can see these are two values, those are minimum in this particular range. Okay, and by this process you can highlight the minimum value of any particular range. Okay, this is the whole process. I think you have understood by how you can highlight the minimum value by the VBA codes. It is very easy. Please practice it, and if you have any problem regarding this, tell us where you are finding the problem, and please subscribe the channel and share the link with others so that others also can join us. Okay, thank you.